everyone, welcome to my home. If you don't know, we recently renovated our kitchen. We went for a modern farmhouse look. That video is up, so I'll link it below. You can check that out and see our before and after photos. As I promised, today is all about showing you how we built an island. Before I start this video, I want to tell each and every one of you, if you are watching the video, please go subscribe to my channel right now, as well as like this video if I do help you in some type of way. So I really would appreciate that, and I thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope this video is helpful to you. So let's get started. So our kitchen had a lot of space, and I always wanted an island, but the island that I wanted was really expensive. If you don't know, islands they can be very expensive, especially for a large one. Some of the smaller ones you can get for $200-300, but the larger ones run you about $700, and I did not want to pay that. So I decided to just build one. So I have to say that this island and this kitchen is by far not perfect, but it is the greatest feeling in the world to have one, saved thousands and thousands of dollars, and two, to have done it yourself, and that's a huge feeling of accomplishment. We built the island from base cabinets, and then we built around it, and then this countertop, honest to God, we added this countertop for less than 50 bucks, okay? That's a little secret. For now, we could not afford a real countertop. I wanted a marble countertop, but I couldn't afford it right now. So what we did, until we can get one later on down the road, is we settled for imitation. Can you tell? Well, I will break that down in another video. I'll show you how we built this countertop for less than 50 bucks. But today's lesson is all about building an island. So let's start. Okay, so for building an island, this is just a cabinetry that's pre-built. It has 4 cabinets and 2 drawers, and all we're gonna do is build around it and then add a countertop to it. So as you can see, I taped off the floor for where I want it to be and how I want to build my legs around it. I did that for both sides. So then you just want to measure it out, see how long you want the sides, and get the pieces cut. Well, here I had the pieces cut exactly how I want, so let's put it up against it. Okay, so this is my board. It was actually pretty cheap too. We're gonna just line it up where I want it, and I'm gonna screw it in. That's gonna be my side. And then I'm trying to show you how I'm gonna build around it. And then this piece here, it's gonna go here. So right now I'm just standing up against it so you can kind of get an idea how the island is gonna look. And then I'm gonna have this piece here. Can you see that line? And this piece of wood is gonna go right there. So in a sense, it's gonna give that 3D effect. See? And then my panels, which are these, I'm just gonna add to here. And the panels are actually gonna like dress it up. So the panels are going like that. Can you kind of see where we're going with it? And so all we're doing is building around it, and then I'm gonna add, trim to give it texture and give it depth. So that's how the island is ultimately going to look. And I'll show you the results. So this is the island, and all you're gonna do is get these sheets and then you attach it to your cabinets. So we're building around the base cabinets here. So we're building around it, and we're doing sheets of wood. You can get your sizes cut. So it's all about measurement. Measure it out and piece it all together with screws, nails, wood glue, all of the above. So I'm gonna make an X on the island to give it just a farmhouse effect. They're made of little bitty pieces there. It's gonna be there on the island. And what I'm doing, I'm taking all of my extra pieces of wood. They're actually short, so I'm going to glue them together. These are not, they're all little bitty pieces that are just, you know, I'm shaping it right now. So what I did was I measured the island, my corner from here to the bottom down here, and I measured it here and centered it. These are my center marks. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can help you to see that. There are my center marks. And I cut this off diagonal so that this can go like this here. Can you see that? There we go. So I cut that diagonal, I measured it out. It's all about math and measurements with building. And so now I'm just gonna glue these pieces together and then put some wood filler in between the little holes or cracks, you know, so it'll be nice and smooth, and then paint the entire thing and then put it up against the island. So I'll show you the results. So all in all, we built this entire island for less than $200. And I got these chairs from Target on clearance. So I'm a huge money saver, and I shop sales and clearances and all of that. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope I helped you in some way. Look forward to seeing your islands. Leave me comments below and tell me what you think. And be sure to subscribe to my channel.